Hello, what's up everybody, welcome back for another video. And in this video it's going to be an update video. You are right now inside my new studio, and this is going to be my working place. This is where the workstation and this is going to be very basic for the moment, and we will add things up from time to time. As you can see behind me, there is some dresses. Yeah, basically I'm sharing with Ken from Kimura Entertainment Network, which is they do modeling. So yeah, there are lots of model in this studio, but you won't see anyone right now. So okay, basically this is how it look like. Right, this is how it look like, and this is gonna be my workstation. Basically still nothing there, and over here we're gonna think of going to do some YouTube video probably, and you will see a few people soon will be coming in. And yeah, don't mind about that one, still messy over that side. So this is slightly an update what sort of setup we have. And right now it's still dark over here, a lot of dresses over here, and of course some of the hang on, let me turn on the light. Yeah, now you can see. So there is a big mirror over here, big mirror, as where they practice catwalk, all the models that's over here. So this is where the crowns and the shash that they actually got. Look at that. Anyway, yeah, so this is studio. Soon gonna be divided into a couple of sections, so it's just a quick update basically. And yeah, I will try to create more video from here soon, specifically from there or this side. Yeah, so right now there's nothing. All right, so that's it for now, and I'll get you updated more things soon. A new video is coming up, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and the bell, that's it, the bell, keep you notified. All right, I'll see you, bye.